49 years ago I wrote this song. Up to now, we don't stop yet.
I'm a ram good.
Speaking of that song, do you remember what you were doing that day or what you were thinking when you recorded that song?
I remember exactly what I was thinking. Ernest Smith came to Federal and he said, guess what I saw a while ago? I saw a truck hit a ram good.
Sunday gone I jump on a minibus. I really late but it's not my fault. When we nearly
and I heard a Rasta man say him should have did make a buy a pound of rice. I said, but Ernie, that's a song right there. Him say, well, write it. 1 month later, it was #1 on the charts. Yeah.